One Trick Pony: How to Play. The object of the game is to collect the most animals without getting caught. Lay out the spinner, then set up the pony and place the animals behind the fence on the back side of the pony. Turn the game unit on and press the button and the lasso will start spinning. Pick a player to go first and the rest of the players get in a line behind them. On your turn, spin the spinner and take animals as indicated by the matching color and quantity you spun. Put your arm through the lasso and take an animal. You may only take one animal at a time. The green color means you can take any animal. The 1 through 5 icon means you get to take as many animals as you want from 1 to 5. The blue thief means you get to take one animal from any other player. When the lasso stops spinning, the game ends and the player with the most animals wins. If your hand is caught in the lasso when it stops, then you must give every other player one animal and then put the rest back behind the fence.